can understand regarding this. So I would say I needed to get started. That's it. So first lines. After completing discussion of lines, we will move on the discussion of angles. Why am I saying like this? Because there are a lot of types of angles. That's why. So it will take some minutes to clarify. Okay, it is saying what is line? What is the definition of line? What is the definition of line? You can say we are understanding, we are explaining, we are discussing about concept. We are understanding about concepts of lines and angles. Okay, so it is the same line. We have a lot of line in which we can explain something. We have main lines that can be explained. Okay, brother. So first of all, this line with arrow. We have two arrow, which is which is two, and this two arrow is with the ends of this line. So yeah, this type of line, if you have, then this will be known as simple line. It can be said as a word line. We can say this is line. So what is the definition? Exact definition. Definition would be this line is the same. This line is the same. This direction will be going infinity. Infinite. We don't know where will this arrow, this side will show. We don't know. Okay. Similar here. This is a direction. This direction is with infinite distance. Okay. This will be going on, going on, going on. This will be keep going on. This will keep going on because arrow is saying that I am infinite. I am infinite. Okay. Remember this point. What arrow which will indicate about infinity. Infinite. So this direction, this is a direction, and this will be going on like this. This will keep going on. So okay. So first of all, we understood that this type of line has have what infinite distance. Okay, infinite distance in their direction. This is a right direction. This is a left direction. Clear? Now, how to represent it? How can it be represented? So let's suppose this is A and B. So we can represent it like this. Clear? This is a way to represent it. This line will indicate us that this is like this. Okay, we can write it what 15 centimeter, because from here to till here we have what, from here to till here we have segment line. Let's say I am taking it in separate place. This we don't have arrow both ends of this line. We don't have. Do you have? No, no. So this type of line, this is line as well. Okay, but here there is a difference. Something. This line have this line has both have, but this line has even nothing arrow. So this type of line will be known as segment line. Segment line. Clear? This line will be known. This line will be known as segment line. So now, meaning of this word is what? It is saying you have no arrow hint. Okay, this line has no any type of arrow. Direction is fixed and distance is fixed in the case of segment line. So from here to till here, how much? 15 centimeter. So our direction is fixed. Direction. Our distance is fixed. Okay, this is end and this is end. Ends are fixed of a segment line. Clear? Now, after discussing of a segment line, we have a ray line. What? A ray line. Like this. One side is fixed, one side is bent, but second side is not fixed. Second side will keep going on. Very will keep going on. Second side, which is this this side will keep going on, but this is end. From here it starts and like this keep going, keeps going on. So here it can be represented by like this. That's it. Is how much? 15 centimeter. This is the way from we can say yeah. This is the way how to present. Okay. Similar here. This is the end side, but we will cut it. Then we will represent it. So it is a real line. First of all, a real line. Now, what is the meaning? What do we understand by this line? It says that you have a end side. You have end side. You have one which is inside, second side which is not inside. Second side will keep going on. Okay, and how to represent it? It is represented like this. It is represented like this. This is clear. Now collinear line. What? Collinear line. Collinear line, bro. Collinear. It means we have first of all line, but it is the same. You have both line with the A line. You have more line with the A line. This is, you can name it like that. Then also you can join third line like that. Okay, like that. So whatever we are joining, how many are we are we are joining two or more line, then with the one line. So this type of lines will be known as collinear line. In one word we say it, but this is a collinear line. Clear? Now, so shall we move to the next step? Here remember we have two lines. Okay, we have two lines. This we were talking about one line. We have two lines. Okay, we have two lines. So here let's say this is A and this is B. This is a C and this is a D. We have two lines. So this type of line will be known as parallel line because one is similar opposite here. But like that we can say that this is a parallel. But like that will be, then we can't say that this is a parallel. We can't say. Okay. Here just look carefully that two lines can intersect to each other. How? Like this. This is one which is vertical, and this is a third. This is a third which is horizontally. So here this both line intersecting where here it will be known as origin. So remember, two or more lines can intersect at one point. At one point, like this, like that. Lines intersecting line. We say intersecting lines. Oh, that's it. Okay, just have a look. Then we'll take some questions. Otherwise, we will move on the discussion of angles. Yeah, after this discussion, I want to to discuss about angles. About angles. Now we are going to move on the discussion of angles. Always remember, angle is formed by two rays or more rays, but with one ray we can't form any angle. So we should have two or more rays, then we can make a angle. Otherwise, if you have more rays, then also you will have more rays, more angles. So remember, two rays will form a angle. Four rays will form two angles. Like that. Angles. Remember, two rays line will form one angle. Okay. Ends will be vertex. Clear? Both ends of two rays lines will be vertex. Will be known as vertex. Clear? So let's create a angle of. Let's suppose this is one ray. This is a ray. And second ray. This is a second ray. So this is a both end, and this both end is known as also vertex. Okay, we named it with the O alphabet. So this is one ray. Let's say this ray will be known as OA, and this will be known as B, OB, so that we can identify because we have a two rays line. Okay. Now, this rotation, this open area between to this ray is what this is a rotation. Rotation is with something degree, then we say what, yeah, this is rotation with a 30 degree, 45, 40, like that. So here this rotation we measure it with theta, with angles. If you don't know value of angles, then we can write it as a theta. Theta is used when we don't know value of angle. Value of angle. Okay, when we don't know value of angle, then we are able to use a theta. Then, okay. So till here, are you clear? What about the theta we understood? This is a line, and remember this two lines is making a angle. That's why in the case of angle, we say that this is R, this is R. Okay, this is R. We can say R. Okay, we can say R. Now, types of angles. Let's break it. Let's break it. Here, angles can be represented by here like that, as we were representing up to the lines. Similar here, angle is represented by like that. So here angle, and how to write this in mathematically way. So we can write A over B, otherwise B over B. Okay. Otherwise you can say, you can write B over. Both is the same. This is a way that we write in mathematically. Okay. This is a meaning of a angle. Now types of angles. Now we are going to understand types of angle. First of all, acute, acute angle. Acute, acute. It means before the discussion of acute angle, shall we talk about a right angle? Right angle. Right angle, which means right angle, right angle, which means it is drawn like that. This is a and remember, this is an initial ray and this is a terminal ray. This is the end. So this rotation is with 90 degree. This state is known as the right angle. This is our state that is known as the right angle. Okay, always remember. Straight line will be known as with the rotation of 90 degree. Clear? This is initial position and this is a terminal position. Clear? So now we are able to understand about acute acute angle. So here we have a value of angle. Okay, we have if value of angle is less than 90 degree. What I'm saying, if whatever we have value, whatever there is a value, but value of angle is less than 90 number 90 degree, then we will say that we have acute angle. And so we can say we will be figure which is in acute figure. Okay, we can figure out, we can notice, okay, something. So meaning of this is what value of angle, value of angle is less than 90 degree. Than 90 degree, it will be considered. So it will be considered as acute angle, whereas obtuse angle. So figure of acute angle, do you want to see? This is acute. This is 45 degree, you can see. So this 45 is definitely this is less than 90 degree. 80, 80 would be acute angle and 70 would be acute angle. 55 of course would be 55 is less than 90 degree. But whereas if I say you have 95 degree, now can you say that you have acute angle? No, because 95 is greater than 90 degree. Is greater than 90 degree. So this is a figure of acute angle. Okay, but this was rotation with the 45 degree. Now we are moving obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Okay. So value of angle is more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree. More than 90 degree. Figure would be like that. Figure would be like that. And this is how much? 120. No. This is 170. 170. This is a 170. This is a 170. Okay. So here, of course, 170 is 120. No, no, bro. 120 was better. 120 was better. 120 would be here. Would be like that. Like that. So is 120 greater than 90? Yeah. So it will be considered as active angle. Or 120, 130, 125, all these are obtuse angles. Clear? Now it's a turn out for a straight, a straight, a straight angle. It's a time of a straight angle. It says, I am simple, brother. I am simple. What? My value of a straight angle would be 180 degree. Okay. Value of an angle would be 180 degree. Exact 80 degree. As we discussed in the discussion of right angle was saying that I am only 90 degree. I'm not comparing with anyone. Okay, similar here, straight value of straight angle is how much? 180 degree. Okay, let's see figure. This is a figure. Where is a angle? So we have one line. This is a point. Now we have two ways. This is a both end, which will say vertex. This is vertex. This is vertex. Vertex. This is now we have two. This is rotation. Or else you can take from here to take. Okay, it depends on you. So here this is A and this is B. This is O. So this rotation is with 180 degree. You can measure with your tools. This rotation is 180 degree, and like that diagram is known as 180 degree. Clear? On the discussion of a supplementary, some of angles, I'm coming. Don't worry, I'm coming. Now, before that, we have one last word, which is reflex. Reflex angle. Which is a reflex angle. Which is a reflex angle. It says that you would have value of angle, which would be more than 180 degree. More than what 180 degree. Here. So you can write value of angle would be more than 180 degree. 180 degree. So 220, 220. Wow. You can say that 285. Yeah, 285 is a reflex angle. Okay. Figure do you want to see like that? So this rotation is like that. Okay, this rotation is like that. Anti-clockwise. If you see this clockwise, then it would be obtuse angle like that. So this is how, which is correct way. This is the correct way to identify from where to till there is rotating with rotation with value. Till here, just have a look. Did you understand or not? Okay, I am moving to the next, and let's see what would be. It was very basic. Am I right? It was very basic. And this lecture is on the basic. Adjacent angles. What do you think about adjacent angle? What do you think? Adjacent angles. Here, you would say that you have more angles. You would say more angles. Uh, then we will say that, yeah, at least it is adjacent. It might be said adjacent angle, but there is a condition. Adjacent angle figure of adjacent angle is, let's say this is a angle. This is only angle. This is not angles. Now we have angles. We have two angles. You can have more angle. Okay. So here this two angle, one and two. So here this lying ray will be known as adjacent. Will be known as adjacent. Adjacent. But condition, let's us see. Condition. Condition should have that what x should be common. What x should be common. Yeah. So both all ends of all ray is at one point. Suppose this is a common. Okay, common. Now this ray common. Okay. And now raise arms. This arms should be what, common. Should be what, common. So here this is a common vertex, and now we have what, non-common arms. This is non-common arm to the opposite of this. This is condition. If you have common vertex, then see, do you have what, non-common arms to the adjacent, to the adjacent, non-common arms to the adjacent. Okay, this was condition. Now let's take. I am going to take an example. Angle 1 adjacent to angle 3. So figure is like that. Figure is like that. We have three angles. It is saying that okay, we have a common vertex. We have common vertex. So angle one is this and this is vertex. We have common vertex. But we don't have a common arm. We don't have common arm. we don't have common r. Okay, that's why we have a vertex, common vertex. We don't have common r. Just have a look for few seconds. I am going to erase it now, which is very now, which is very interesting part. That is supplementary and complementary. Complementary angles. Similar supplementary angles. We have two words. We have two words. Now let's redefine it. Supplementary. So yeah, definition of each this word what is. So complementary angles says that you have two more angles. You have more angles. So sum of your angles is coming how much? Is coming 900. Then it this all your angles would be considered as complementary. So here we can write sum of angles. Sum of angles is 900. It will be considered as complementary angles. Clear? Let's suppose I have 45. So no 65. 65. What is the other complement? What is the complement of this? So uh, 25. 25 is a complement of 65. 65 then 25 would be how much? 90 degree. So this is a complement of this and this is a complement of this. Clear? This is a what 25 and this is a 65 and this is a what 90 degree. So here sum of these angles would be how much? 90 degree. Clear? Now supplementary, which is straight. So sum of our angles is coming how much by calculating 180. Then all our angles will be considered as supplementary. Sum of angles is 180 degree. 180 degree. It will be known as supplementary angle. Clear? Supplementary angle. So let's suppose we have 120 degree. Now to complete 180, how many will we add? 60. So 60 is a complement of 120. Then we will get 180. So we have two angles. One angle is with the rotation of 120 degree, and then second angle is with 60 degree. So whatever we have angles we added, then we got how much? 180. 180. Now it can be said that we have a supplementary angle. Yeah. Figure. Do you want figure? This is 120. This is 120, and then we have 60. This is a 60. So sum of this and sum of this would be how much? 180. Clear? And this is with the 0. This is initial point and this is a terminal point. Terminal point. Okay? Clear? Are you clear? Just have a look. Just have a look for a few seconds. Just for a few seconds. Now I am going to take questions. We have questions which is first find the complement of the following angles. First is 38 degree. Second is 4 by 5 of a right angle. Then third is 45 plus 6. Now we have three question. Question is saying that find the complement of this, and of this. Clear? So let's solve. So what is the complement angle of this? So we don't know. Let's say we don't know. 38. Value of a complement. Let's say we have x, and then sum of this angle is how much complement, which is 90. So now we have 2, then 8, 52. 52 and 38 would be how much? 90. Okay. Clear? So 52 is the complement of this 38. Similar here, but something is tiny heavy. And here 4 by 5 is the same, and then of which means a multiple and a right angle. How much a? So 90. 5, then 4. 4. So 18. Now, yeah, 2 and then 3. 72. But this is not answer. This is not answer. It's not our answer. It is the value of a angle. It is the value of a angle. Okay. We converted it into degree like that. So we have exact value. We have exact value of the angle, so which is 72. So we don't know complement of 72. So value of a complement. Let's say we have we don't know. That's why we use value of alphabet. So it is a complement, no? Yeah, 90, then 72, which is 18. Am I right? So 18 is a complement of 72. 72 is a complement of 18. Am I correct? Am I correct? Yeah, you are correct. So next step, brother, 45 and x is angle, but we don't have exact angle. We don't have exact angle. So can we write it 45, then 2x 90, then 2x 45, and then how much? What is happening? What's happening? What's happening? So here we have complement value, complement value. Okay, this now 90 minus, then whatever, 45 minus this. Okay, now we have 90 minus 45 minus x, 45 minus x. This is a, so this is a complement. This is a complement for this. You can see 45, then plus 45 minus x would be how much? 90 degree. Would be 90 degree. Here and now we have 90 degree. This is a way to prove it. So this is a value of the angle and this is a value of the angle. One value which is less than 45 degree and one value of the angle which is more than 45 degree. So here you can say this is a correct answer. This is a complement. This is a complement. This is a complement. This. Okay. Now I am going to take next question, which would be supplement. What find this supplement? of the following angles. First is 180 degree and second is 100 plus 6 degree. It is very simple of a first question. This is a first question. Is a very simple. Uh, 180. So 180. We don't know value of the second angle. So let's say x. Then supplement, which is 180. So x and 180 minus 180. Now we have how much? 2 and 10, 7, 1, 6, 62. So this is this 118 is a supplement of this. Clear? Sum of this and this would be how much? 180. Now second here 100 plus x, then minus 180. Okay, this is our supplement. Now 100 and then supplement. Here we have 80 minus 80 plus 6. Just put and then 80. We will get how much? 180. This will get cancelled out. No, this should be added. Where is wrong? This would be minus. Now let's see. This is minus. Can we write it? X plus 80. Now we have what? X plus 80. So 100 plus x and then x plus 80. 2x. Wow. 2x. Minus, then here we have what? Plus. $180 minus 100 minus x. Okay, how much? 80. Then one half 80 minus x, then 100 plus x. It will get cancelled out. We will get 180. 180. Okay, now it's correct. Now it's correct. So here we have 180 degree. Now we are subtracting. We are doing subtraction. This from this. We have a value of a. We have a value. We have a value of a angle. This and this would be this. Then 180. Similar here we have written 180. This is a less. Then we get this. And now this and this will be added. Then we will get what? 180, 180. 180, 180. Just have a look for few seconds. I'm going to erase it. Which is, so here 20 more than its complement. Second is 36 degree less than its supplement. Okay, it's a supplement. So here, first question we are going to solve to the first question. It is saying that 20 is more, then it's a complement. So complement is the same. First, we should have what 90 minus 1. 90 minus 6. First, we have a value of a one angle, which is 90, but less than x. Similar here, we will look at this after. Okay, later. Now, how much? 20 is more. Its complement. So complement is here. Clear? So let's see. And we have found out value of 2. We don't have, this is exact. This is a what? This is a value of a 1 angle. This is a 1 value of angle. Okay. Okay, brother. So 20 is more than its complement. Okay, complement. 90 minus 1. We have 130 minus 2x. So can we write 2x? Then we will get how much? 2 nines are x is 90 degree. X is 90 degree. So is it correct? Is it correct? Here we have 110. How much? 110. Two fives are 52. 52. And second would be what? Uh, 5. Then 5. 55. So second would be 35. value of a secant angle, first angle. Okay, first angle. So here we put 55, 55, then we will get 35, 35 plus 20. Now it's a time to this. It is saying that 36 is base. X value of angle, and then 180 minus x minus 20. No, minus 36. Minus 36. And then here 4 and 3. So 6 x 64 and then 2. X is 32. So second would be 60, no, 58. Y you can say second, and then this is first. This is the value of first angle and this is the value of second angle. And when we put this, then we will get this is a complement to this, and this is a complement to this. So here what, how much? 32, 180, 180, then 32 would be 8, then 7, 5, 158. How much? 158. Y would be 158. This is a supplement to this, and this is a supplement to this. Just have a look. One 44, brother. Then 144 to 2 7, then 2x will be equal to 72. Second would be 180, 72, 8, then 01. Y would be 108 degree. This is answer. Okay, this is answer. Value of first angle is 72 degree, and value of second angle is 108 degree. 108 degree. Just have a look, then I will move on. I will move on. Find the angle whose complement is 1/6 of its supplement. Second is supplement is four times. It's a complement. Just try to understand this statement. It is saying that complement is 90. How much? 90. Is what? One sixth. One sixth of its supplement. Am I right? Am I right? That's it. So here we have to find out two values. One value will be less than 90 and second value would be less than 180. Let's see. So 9 6 are 6x. Clear? Then we have 0 and then 6 4 3 5. How much? How much? 6 1 5. Okay. 5 7 yeah, and 2. Uh, yeah. X. This is less than 90 degree and second would be greater than 90 degree. 180 minus x, which is 8, then 0, then 1. Clear? Clear, brother? So this is a less than 180 degree and this is less than 90 degree. This is one value. From this we found, and this is second value we found from this. Second is saying this supplement is 4 times its complement. Are you try to understand? So first value we will find out with the help of this supplement. Then second is a complement, which is 4 times. 4 times. It's our statement. It's our statement. So 180 as it, then for 9 for the 36, and then 4x. Now we have equation. We have equation 180, then minus clear 1 4x, then plus 6. It's our simple equation. So 180 and 180. And then we have minus 3x. 180. So 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. 60. So here, this is less than 90. This is less than 90. Second would be less than 18. 180 minus 60 will come 120. This is less than 180. Clear? 180. Just have a look. Then we will move on. Till here, are you clear? Till here, are you clear? Now I am going to erase it. Now I am going to erase it. Try, try to understand. Sum of angles is 180, 180 degree is will be also said what linear pair. Let's say we have this, which is 120, okay, and then we have this, which is 60. So sum of this like that. 1 second, O, A, B, and C. It will help us. We have two angles. How much? Two. A, O, B. We have how much? This is a 60, and this is 120. This is 120. Clear? So 60, then get AOC. AOC is 180. No, 180. 120. Now angle of this two would be how much? 180. 180. 60 plus 120 would be 180. What do you want? 180. 60 and 120 would be how much? 180. 180. 180. So here we are getting what? A linear pair. So 180 is a linear pair. Linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. This is 180. Some 180 is being considered as a linear pair. Is being considered as a linear pair because it is saying that this and this will make a linear pair line. A line will make a line. Okay. So on this discussion, shall we take some question? Do you want to do practice with this concept? One more thing. What? This is a 90 degree now. So bisect array. Bisect arrays. What is the meaning of this word? Meaning of this word is you have one angle, but rays, bisect ray is coming. It means it will float between equal distance. Both sides will be equal value of rotation. Value of this will be let's suppose is 45, and similar this will be 45. So whenever we are saying bisecting line, which means we are saying that both sides is equal value. Okay. We have let's say 120. So bisecting line will be at a 60 degree. At 60 degree. 60. Are you understand? Bisecting line will be at 60 degree. This is how we understand bisect arrays. Clear? some question. In figure, angle AOC and angle BOC form a line, a linear pair determine the value of x. The value of x. So figure is already given by equation. Figure is like this. This is figure. What does the figure say? It says that value of this and value of this is 180 because we have linear pair. AB is a linear pair. AP is a linear pair. So we don't have exactly value of both angles. Exactly values of both angles. We don't have. We have a ratio. You can say we have a ratio. So it is very simple. It's very simple. We will add. Okay, we will add. How much? 180. So can we say this is a linear pair? Yeah, this is a linear pair. This is a linear pair angle because 180 degree angles make a line which is linear pair. Linear pair, which means a pair of two lines. So we have this and this two lines. So 6x 180 and then x 180, 6 and then 1 second. 3 to just 6 and 90. 3 3 is 9. X is 30 degree. X is with 30 degree. Okay. X is with 30 degree. So here, X is 30 degree. We don't have a value of angles. So first, value of angle BOC is 2 multiple 30, which is 60 degree. So value of this is 60 degree and value of this would be AOC is how much for multiple 30. 4 3 is 12. This value of exact value of BOC is 60 degree and exact value of AOC is 120 degree. Clear? Okay. This is how we solve it. We solve like that question. So just have a look, then I will take the next question. I will take next question. Next question that I was going to write. I am going to write. In the given figure, x is greater. X is greater than y. 1 by 2 of a right angle. Find the value of x and y. Figure is like that. Or this is so, and this is now this is question in the given figure. This is given figure. X is greater. This we can say x is greater than y. So value of y would be less then value of x. So here x is greater, x is greater. So of course y is less. Y. Then O 90 1 by 2. Okay. How much y2 of which means multiple, right? Okay. 45. X minus is 45. We have equation 1 as we are looking here. This is 3. This is a 3. This is a 3. So now we will have how much? 3 3 is 9. 30 degree. We have a one equation. We have how much? One equation. Okay, this is one equation. Now here you can see x plus y, it happens how much? 180, which is a linear pair. It will make it a linear pair line. Okay, just for certification. Now we have two equations. We will get answer now, a value of x and a value of a. So first of all, we will find out first variable, for example x 30 and then plus y. Let's suppose this is the third equation. Okay, we will put value of x with any equation in any equation. Let's suppose 30 and then y plus y is 180. We have 2y, so can we write 2y? Of course. So 2y and 180 minus 30, 150. Then y, so 2 7 14 and 2 5 7. So value of y we can put in the equation of 3. So 3 equation, which is x is equals to 30 and then 25. So x is 5 10. Wow. So value of x is 105 and value of x y is 55. So rotation of y is 25 and rotation of x is 105. This is all. Clear, brother? Now I am going to take the next question. That's enough. I am going to take next question. In the given figure, angle POR plus angle QOS happens 110. Find angle ROS. So figure is like this. So it's very simple, bro. It's very simple. We will given, we will be given already. We would be given already a figure. And question is also saying what in the given figure. POR, value of this and value of this is how much? 180, 110, 110, 110. So it is making a linear pair. PQ is line, which is a pair of a two line. We can say this is a linear pair. So you can write that PQ is a linear pair. PQ is also a straight line, whatever. So can we write PO, one second, angle POR plus angle O, no, no, ROS plus angle SOQ happens how much? How much? 180. As well as this is linear pair. Clear? This is linear pair. So here, value of this and value of this is how much? 110. So we can locate it. 110. We have equation now. Okay, we have equation now. We will get value of angle ROS, which is 70 degree. So we can say ROS. This is a 70 degree. This is how much? 70 degree. And question was saying find angle ROS. Have a look just for a few seconds. Then I will take next question. Now we are going to question which will be involved bisector over bisector word. Now already figure is given by question. Just have a look for a few seconds. So Let's solve it. In the given figure, it is given that angle POQ is how much? 70 degree. This is a 70 degree. Okay. And the ray OB, offset bisect. So can we say value of this angle degree will be same? Whatever will come value of this angle. Okay. So let's just say we don't know value of this and this. We don't know. In our way, we will try to solve it. So first of all, we have what angle AOB, AOQ, angle AOQ, and angle POQ will make 180 degree, which means linear pair. So value of this we don't know, and the value of this we have 20 degree. Am I correct? So value of 180 then 70. How much? How much? We have 110. So value of from this is 110. So bisect, which means OB is bisect, which means our angle AOB will be equal BOQ. How much? Okay, 5 degree. So we have this 55 degree and also this is 55 degree. So can we say angle AOB is 55 degree, 55 degree, BOQ is 55 degree. Clear?